Guys, Eddie from Harlembling. If you're one of my haters or one of my competitors that just watch this channel to steal ideas from my brand, this video is not for you. It's not going to benefit you. But if you're one of my supporters, one of my loyal fans, whether you bought something from me 8, 10 years ago, or whether you stumbled upon this channel last week because you want to learn about jewelry, because you want to learn about stones, investments, then this might be something you will love. But first, I want all of you, become supporters. It's very easy. Hit the subscribe button down below. It helps to motivate me, to keep me going forward and creating content like this for you guys. So I got this idea from a fan. I was at JFK Airport and I'm walking down the terminal to get my luggage. And in the corner of the eye, I see a guy wearing this t-shirt. He runs up to me and he's like, "Are you Eddie from Harlembling?" And that was like a 4-hour flight. I'm all sweaty. I'm like, "Yeah, I'm Eddie from Harlembling." Give him a pound. He's like, "Eddie, I've been watching every one of your videos. I have so much of your jewelry." Shout out to you, Adam. I appreciate you, man. I really do. You have my number and you're gonna watch this video. Definitely shout out to you. So he tells me a great idea. He's like, "Listen, your jewelry I can buy, but what people really love is your merch, your t-shirt." And I'm like, "Really?" Because, see, for me, it's an afterthought. I manufacture jewelry. I don't really, put that much attention into hats, into t-shirts. But he's like, "No, Eddie, I love your merchandise." So this is what we're going to do. I have a lot of these boxes, and this is courtesy. This is Adam's idea. We chopped it up. This is Adam's. It's a great idea. I took this box. Inside this box, we're going to put this Harlembling jewelry box. We sell them for $100. Other places sell them for $200-300. This is hand-stitched leather. Inside, it's all velvet lined. There's shelves. You put out your jewelry. You can put rings here. You can put earrings here. There's more cases. It's a very nice box. It even locks. So, you get this. But there's more room. What else are we going to put? We're going to put a scale. Because what I teach people all the time. This is a Harlembling digital scale. I teach people all the time. Do not buy jewelry without weighing it. You're buying a precious metal. You need to know the weight. When it comes to jewelry with stones, it's a little bit less important because you're really paying more for the stones and the labor. Whenever you're buying a plain chain, you have to know the weight so you can figure out the price per gram. So you need a scale. You need a diamond tester. Even though this thing really doesn't matter, you should buy jewelry because you like it. But Moissanite passes the diamond tester. You're an up-and-coming TikToker. You want to show off. I'm going to put in a diamond tester in this box. Our old jewelry did not come in these fancy hand-stitched leather cases, but all of our new items do. They have our logo here. So for my fans that bought something a while ago, this will come in handy. I'm going to throw this in another box. So a large, a medium. I'm going to put some jewelry cleaning cloths. 5 of them. Get 5 jewelry cleaning cloths. You get a leather pouch. You get a Harlembling keychain. That's what you don't have, Adam, by the way. You don't have the keychain. You had everything else you said. So this is actually made from 925 sterling silver. This is made from stainless steel because this is the actual keyring. But this is made from silver. It's stamped. You can actually take it off and wear it as a pendant. It's a beautiful pendant. It's a silver pendant. This is 925 sterling silver. I'm going to throw that in. Can't forget about the hat. Adam, you also don't have the hat. The hat, these are 950 snapbacks, alpha era. These are not fake hats. Or maybe you could wear it like that. So it says Harlembling over here. Established 2014. Put the hat in here. I'll throw in some stickers. But since I'm not doing this, now this box barely closes. I might need to get a bigger box. Again, you get a hat, you get a pouch, you get 3 stickers, you get 2 jewelry little boxes for just to put some stuff in. You get the big box. I think I'm missing something else. Keychain, diamond tester, and a scale. All of that is yours for $40. $40, you get the whole merch collection. $40. Guys, it's a deal of a lifetime. Shout out to Adam for giving me this idea. Link to buy that is going to be down below in the video. I'm only going to have 100 of these to send you guys. Once it's gone, it's gone. Once it's gone, it's gone. You can use coupon codes. There's the code for my YouTube subscribers, VIP20. VIP20. Until next time, Eddie from Harlembling.